everyone, this is Elena and welcome to Cooking with Elena, our first ever nutrition education and recipe video channel for San Ramon Valley Unified School District. I'm so excited to be here with you all today because we are making a persimmon and apple winter salad. It is so delicious, it's perfect for any small holiday gathering, and it's packed with tons of vitamins and antioxidants. Let's get started. So we're going to be using apples, persimmons, pomegranate, pumpkin seeds, baby spinach, and goat cheese. We will also be prepping a super simple balsamic vinaigrette. Next, we are going to cut up our Honeycrisp apple and persimmons. So I'm going to just have both of these fruits down the middle like so, and then with my hand and a claw to avoid any knife injury, I'm going to thinly slice both of these fruits. When I'm done, I'm going to just set both aside in 2 small bowls until I'm ready to assemble the salad. Next, I'm going to show you a super simple way of getting pomegranate seeds out of a pomegranate. With your halved pomegranate, you're going to just take a wooden spoon and start to pat the pomegranate super hard without letting it fall into the bowl until you start to see seeds fall out. You can then inspect the bowl for any pieces of pomegranate that may have fallen out that you don't want to end up in your salad. You can just discard those next to you. Assembly time. Take your spinach and create a nice even bed at the bottom of your bowl. Then I'm just going to arrange my persimmons and apples in a floral pattern all over the spinach. Next, take your pomegranate seeds and just drizzle them over the top of the spinach. And then do the exact same with your pumpkin seeds. Second to last step, take your goat cheese and evenly crumble it and spread it across your spinach. Make sure to get every bit in there. And then last but not least, take your balsamic vinaigrette and just drizzle it on the top. And voila, you have a super simple holiday recipe that you can make for your small family gathering this holiday season. If you want to keep seeing content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. We will be bringing Cooking with Elena recipe videos to you every month, so make sure to stay tuned. So good.